Good evening friends. So this is Lucky Sony and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, I came back with my new learning. As part of my new learning, I'm going to just talk about the Simon Sinek. He's the person who is one of the most influencing person. He's one of the person who really good in motivating the people. He's really good in leadership part. Okay, he have given the couple of training to the CEO of the companies. Okay, and he really let them know how exactly they should lead the team, how exactly things are going to work out as part of the leadership. And this video is basically my learning, what I have got as part of the Simon Sinek, okay, and how exactly this learning I am going to apply as part of my life. So let's get started. So Simon Sinek is the person who is really the source of motivation for most of motivators. Okay, if I talk about the Jay Shetty also follow the Simon Sinek. Simon Sinek just talked about how exactly people leader means how exactly people should behave like a leader, how exactly you can take the responsibility. Okay, it's talk about all the environment kind of stuff which need to be taken care. Okay, so let me give you one story where he just explained me about or explained us about how exactly leaders should behave. So he visited one of the what to say, so he visited one of the hotel, okay, where he met one waiter, okay, and he ordered one coffee, and that waiter was so happy, so charming, okay, and he was so much energetic, okay. So this Simon got affected from that person, and he asked, "Do you love your job?" He said, "Yes, I love my job." So he simply asked, "Okay, who is your manager?" So he said, "Yeah, means managers I having those are very good people." So like he identified that the person is not in a pressure, okay, and the person is really loving how the management is working, and he's really taking care the business because the person means Simon is the client for that particular person who's for that waiter, okay, and the client should be happy enough from the all this kind of activities from the service. So if management is going to deal with their employees in a very better way, definitely the client is going to be happy. The same kind of scenario he given like in the CEO. So he was having a discussion with the CEO, and he simply asked one of the CEO, "Okay, so what the first thought you having as part of your business?" So the CEO said, "I would like to get the one of the most productive. I would like to get the maximum productivity from my employees." So then Simon said, "Why are you thinking about the productivity? Why are you not thinking about your people?" So then he said, "How exactly peoples are going to help me out?" So then Simon said, "Okay, you tell me one thing. When exactly you have discussed with your client within a month, or maybe within 6 months, or maybe in the last year?" He said, "No, I have never had a discussion with my clients. Means my employees are going to take care of it, right?" So yeah, so he said the same thing. So how exactly your customer is going to be satisfied? Because you are not going to deal with your customer, you are going to deal with your employees, and your employees are going to deal with your customers. So first of all, you need to have a very good leadership. Means suppose you having near to 100 employees, and on top of 100 employees, suppose you having 10 managers or the leaders. So you are the CEO. If you are going to be create a very good environment, you would like to have the you really take care of your employees, definitely your manager will take care of their employees. So it's like a one kind of chain. So in this way, your employees will have the vision of your goal. They are going to help you to achieve your goal. Not it's not only your goal, its goal will it will be the goal for them as well. So most important and effective environments really matters a lot, okay, because people who are under pressure, they really don't take care about your business, okay. They just would like to do the stuffs, and definitely if you would like to do the stuffs, maybe you may not be that much successful, you may not be that much happy. But if you're creating a very good environment, very impactful environment, then what is going to be happen? People will really love their job. People will not hate the Mondays, or will not hate their job. They would like to spend more amount of time. They would like to make their client more happy. They would like to provide you more revenues. So in this way, the environment matters a lot. Even you are a good person or bad person, but your leadership is not good enough, definitely you are not going to get that much good productivity. If I talk about the IT sectors, in the IT sectors, we really need the managers, not the managers. We really need the leaders. Okay, because leaders playing a vital role. The world need the leaders, but don't need the bosses. Okay, if I will tell you, I will guide you. Definitely, you are not going to respond me properly. But if I am going to say you, I am going to lead you. Okay, I am going to provide all the possible inputs where you can grow yourself, right? So definitely, you are going to accept me and you are going to follow me out. Okay, the way I am dealing with you, definitely you will be comfortable enough to talk to me. You will be comfortable enough to keep your thoughts and ideas in front of me, and possibly those ideas is very impactful and very productive for our company purpose, right? So in this way, environment plays a vital role. I really care about the environment because I'm the person who don't love the much pressure. I love the overall average pressure. Okay, and where I can really motivate myself, where I really can really push myself. Okay, I really have the room to work on my skills. Okay, I can improve my skills. So in the same way, environment plays a vital role. So the CEO should understand, most of people should understand, this world need leaders. This world don't need the bosses. Okay, so I really appreciate the thought process, or I really having the strong mindset how exactly I can become a leader. Okay, possibly you may not be the position of the leader. Okay, you may be the in normal position, but this leadership is just like a responsibility. Okay, you need to help the people who are under you. Okay, how exactly you can help them to grow, because once you will help them to grow, really money, in this case money will not really matters to them. Okay, some people would like to have the peace of mind, some people would like to have really good environment. Okay, you need to treat them like a parents. Okay, so you are the parent and you are taking care of them, you are trying to help them out, you are trying to grow them out. Okay, you are trying to give whatever the best possibility and opportunity you can provide to them. But the one of the thing you need to learn, if you are the leader, definitely you should be have the courage, because you are going to provide the opportunities, you are going to provide the inputs from your side, maybe you are going to take the risk. So in your presence, possibly success will be there. In your presence, possibly failure will be there. But you need to accept it. You need to wear it. Okay, if you are going to accept it, if you are going to wear it, definitely people's will grow. And if you are the person whose idea has been failed or maybe partially successful, the person you have loved a lot, the person you have helped them to grow a lot, will never leave you alone. They will work along with you. They will try to provide one of the best productivity as per their level, and even they will never let you down. So this is the one of the best thing going to happen. It's a mutual kind of stuff is going to be happen in terms of leaders. So even I'm the person who really would like to apply such kind of thing. Even I'm applying as part of my life. Okay, so leader is one of the best thing which can I ever learn. Okay, and which I can ever apply as part of my life, and I can really grow a lot. So guys, this is my thought about the Simon who have given his input to me, and I really apply them as part of my life, and I really enjoy a lot, because I having really good environment as part of my team, as I'm working in one of the IT company, and where the environment is so good, I can push myself, I can learn a lot, I can grow a lot. I really don't care about that much money, but I really care about the environment. I really care about my self growth. So where people are really helping me out to grow in your life. They're really helping me out to how exactly I can get out of my problem, how exactly I can fix them, how exactly I can learn to come out from such kind of situations, right? So yeah guys, leadership and empowerment play a vital role, and if you having that kind of quality, definitely you are going to make this world a better place. So thanks a lot guys for watching my video, and I hope so I will share the same kind of learning from the Impactfully videos, and I hope so I will give more better learnings from my side. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe my video if you really find out worthful. Yeah, thanks.